She's real into me.
She said she didn't have no man, paid to give the very best she can. She told me she was all